Hello friends, I am Anaga Sabal, first semester biology, St. Mary's College, Thrissur. Today we are going to discuss about isomerism. Isomerism is the phenomenon in which more than one compounds have the same chemical formula but different chemical structures. Different compounds with same molecular mass is known as isomers. Example, malic acid and fumaric acid. Term isomer applied by James Jacob in 1827. Mainly two types of isomerism, structural and stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism. Same molecular formula but different structure. Different exhibited by length of carbon chain or possess different functional groups. Example, butane and isobutane. Stereoisomerism. Same molecular formula and same structure but different spatial arrangement. They possess different chemical and physical properties. Stereoisomers are two types, geometrical and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Cis-trans isomers. Atom or group are arranged differently in space due to restricted rotation of a bond or bonds in a molecule. Example, trans-2-butene and cis-2-butene. Optical isomerism. These are a pair of molecules that exist in two forms that are mirror image of one another but cannot be superimposable mirror image of each other. Set of optical isomers are called enantiomers. They cannot be interconverted without breaking bond. Enantiomers. These are special type of stereoisomers that are mirror images of each other. The two members are designated as D and L sugars. Enantiomers of glucose are D-glucose and L-glucose. Majority of sugars in higher animals are of D type. D and L isomers. D and L isomers are the mirror image of each other. The spatial orientation of H and OH groups on the carbon atom that is adjacent to the terminal primary alcohol carbon determines whether the sugar is D or L isomer. If the OH is on the right side, the sugar is of D series, and if the on the left side, it belongs to L series. It may be noted that the naturally occurring monosaccharides in the mammalian tissues are mostly of D configuration. The enzyme machinery of cells is specific to metabolize D series of monosaccharides. Diastereomer. The term diastereomer is used to represent the stereoisomer that are not mirror image of one another. Epimers. The pair of diastereomers that differ from each other in the configuration only at one chiral center are called epimer. Example, D-glucose and D-galactose are C4 epimer, D-glucose and D-mannose are C2 epimer. The interconversion of epimer is known as epimerization, and a group of enzymes, namely epimerizes. These catalyze this reaction. Anomer. The pair of diastereomers that differ each other only at configuration of new chiral center formed by cyclization is called anomer. Example, alpha D-glucose and beta D-glucose. Mutarotation. When change in the specific rotation of a particular isomer of D-glucose with time until a constant equilibrium value is reached is called mutarotation. For example, when alpha D-glucose specific rotation plus 112.2 degree, it dissolves in water, its specific rotation decreases and it becomes plus 52.7 degree and become constant similarity when beta D-glucose is dissolved in water. The specific rotation increases from plus 18.7 degree and it becomes plus 52.7 degree. It is due to the change in one anomeric form to the other through open chain form and equilibrium is achieved. Thank you.